Hello everyone. Very quickly in this video I'll be sharing with you all what I add in my breakfast smoothie to help me crush down my belly fat. The ingredients you add in your breakfast smoothie will help reduce your bloated big stomach. That way you can easily put on your clothes without the bulging big belly and get back in shape. So in order to come up with this recipe, the first ingredient I add in my breakfast smoothie for fat burning is cinnamon. Yes, cinnamon is very good at metabolism boosting. It helps cleanse and flush out toxins, waste in your stomach, help you easily break down and pass out waste. That way there is no room for bloating because there are a lot of unwanted stuff in your stomach. So this facilitates the breakdown of accumulated food store up and waste in your system, making you have that bulging big belly. So this is 1 tablespoon, which is very enough for your large breakfast cup of smoothie. And the cinnamon I go for that I realize works even best is the Ceylon cinnamon. So if you're looking for your cinnamon, you check on the Ceylon. You see Ceylon cinnamon. This is best. It crushes and helps you burn fats like you will not believe yourself. So what you need is 1 tablespoon. That is it set aside. Another very powerful ingredient I add in my breakfast smoothie to help me burn fats like so fast is turmeric. Just a little inch of it is fine. So I add in the fresh turmeric, but if you can't lay your hands on the fresh, you can actually add a tablespoon of turmeric powder. But if you have the fresh, trust me, the fresh makes everything taste so wonderful. Plus it freshest is the best. So you just want to peel and have it this way, and I'll be adding a tiny little bit of ginger as well. So ginger and turmeric are almost from the same family. They help to reduce inflammation, causing that bloated big belly, facilitate digestion, support your system to cleanse and detox itself, flushing out waste, excess food stored or built up in your system. It facilitates the breakdown so everything goes out and nothing store up, making your belly look so bloated and big. So this is the amount I put in, just inches of each, which will give me a large tablespoon when I crush. Yeah, so this is the quantity you put in, just an inch of turmeric and an inch of ginger. They facilitate digestion, help you easily break down food so nothing stuck. Like this is very good for breakfast. So you want to wash thoroughly and slice into some good sizes that you can easily blend without having any roughness, or yeah, depending on the size of your blender, just chop and voila. This is the second thing I add in my smoothie when I really want to burn fat. The third thing I add is apple cider vinegar. Yes, real good apple cider vinegar, not regular vinegar, apple cider vinegar. Very good. Most especially you see these white residues at the bottom. This is called the mother. This helps crush and cleanse your belly, helps you burn and break down fats, flushes it out of your system, and you get back in shape real good. Yeah, and when you're using it, make sure you shake so well so the white residues mix up before you measure your apple cider vinegar. And what I use is 2 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons is just fine of the apple cider vinegar. Plus this helps to curb your appetite. That way you don't feel like overeating. You know that bad attitude of wanting to eat every nice thing you see. This curbs your appetite. So these are my 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. I'll set that aside, and for breakfast I need something a little bit heavy. So I always go for pineapples because they are a little bit filling, but they easily break down as well. So they will fill you up, but your system easily breaks it down. Plus the good enzyme in the middle of the pineapple called bromelain helps you crush down fats, boost your immunity, boost your metabolism. That way you easily break down and flush out waste, easily digest food so nothing starts up causing. Like starting your day with this smoothie is heavenly. It gives you energy. It helps you easily break down this so fast without any store up, And like, this is so good. Yeah, so you want, just half a pineapple is fine. Just peel your pineapple, and what you need is half a pineapple. So yeah, the next thing you want to do is to put your pineapples in your blender. Start with your pineapple, and this, all these fruits, pineapples will give you a lot of water to help with the blending. So I always start by putting my pineapple in, and I put in my 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. In case you do not see the ingredients, you add in your 1 inch of turmeric and 1 inch of ginger, and you add in your cinnamon powder. I always add in some ice cubes just to make this chilly in the mouth. Not just, it will not be cold, trust me. Just because this is summer and we want things a little bit chill. If it is Africa now, I think this is summer. This is tropical. This is yeah. You too, you can add ice. There is sun now in Africa as well, so just add in some ice cubes if you have, just to make it chilly. And if you don't have the ice cubes, that is fine. Just serve it in a cup. A large cup like this for breakfast is all you need. This will nourish you, help you burn fats, cleanse your system up, support your system to flush out waste, toxins, nourish you up, give you a lot of good energy you need for the day. This is so lightweight, yet will keep you so full without living in oils. You know, those kinds of oily, high calorie breakfast you want to stay away from, and go for healthy recipes like this. They make you so energetic, so lightweight. That way you are so active to start your day without feeling sluggish because of nasty calories you've put in your system. This is a very, very, very healthy breakfast alternative to help you flush out fats in your system, not just to stay in shape, but for good health. Because trust me, fats is not something you want in your system. Plus, you want to hydrate enough. Like, don't substitute your water with coffee or sugary pops. This is something I want to reiterate till so long as I'm alive. I will tell you, never substitute your fresh water with coffee or any sugary drink. Make sure you always drink your water. After you have your meals, go for your fresh water. Trust me, you can never substitute water with anything on this earth. Like, this water, if you drink enough water, you will hardly have diabetes. It flushes sugars in your system. All those heavy carbs easily digest, because water, you need water for digestion, so nothing stores up, converting to sugar. If your carbs don't digest, they convert into sugar. That way you end up diabetic, overweight, leading to a hypertension, all the high blood pressures and the rest. So water is something I will always talk about. You want to drink your water. I learned my lesson, and trust me, I'm one of the healthiest human beings you can know of. Yeah, I hardly fall sick. I will never fall sick. I'll always maintain a healthy body size, because I don't give room for bad carbs. I share a lot of my healthy recipes here. You want to join me so we can all stay healthy with healthy body size, stay without spending money visiting hospitals and doctors telling you not to eat banana, not to eat oranges, not to eat pineapples because you made the wrong choices, whereas those fruits are very healthy. They will start telling you banana has sugar, pineapple has sugar. Those are good sugars you need as well. Those are not refined sugars, but because you left a lot of bad sugar in your system, they will start telling you not to eat even the healthy fruits you need. And take note, low sugar too is a problem. There is high sugar, there is low sugar problem. So you want to eat the healthy fruits. And I can't reiterate enough. We can have one-on-one on situations like that, but for now, join me and let's stay healthy. Try this recipe. Let's burn those fats in our system for good health, not just to get in shape, but for good health. Yeah. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you again in my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And bye.